Hi everyone, welcome to Sun Life's VUL Products Review. So, pag-uusapan natin today what is VUL, what is the best VUL product for you, what are the benefits of VUL, and we'll answer some of the frequently asked questions about VUL. Okay, so hi, my name is Liza May Lovindina. I'm a financial advisor and my Facebook page is Your Budget Friendly Momshi. Okay, so what is VUL? Disclaimer lang pala, this is for educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect the official policy of position of any agency of Sun Life Financial. Okay, so let's continue. Ano nga ba si VUL? VUL stands for Variable Unit Linked. It is a life insurance product coupled with investment. So, common misconception about VUL is that it's an investment product with a free insurance. So, hindi siya ganon. It's still a life insurance with the main purpose niya is to give income protection sa insured or kay breadwinner, and bonus na lang si investment. Okay, so we are going to talk about the different VUL products. It's Sunflexilink, Maxilink Bright, Maxilink Prime, and Maxilink 100. Okay, so let's start with the coverage. Same si Flexilink Bright and Prime, covered siya until age 88 years old. And for Maxilink 100, covered siya until age 100. And for the payment period naman, si Flexilink and Maxilink 100 is naka-regular pay siya, meaning the insured are going to pay until the coverage age, or for the Flexilink until age 88 and for Maxilink 100 until age 100. And si Bright and Prime naman, though same sila ng coverage until age 88, si Bright is at least 5 years to pay siya, and si Prime is at least 10 years to pay. Okay, for the face amount naman, kapag Flexilink yung kinuha is, for example, 500k yung coverage niya, ang matatanggap ng beneficiaries niya or yung death benefit niya is 500k din, since 100% yung face amount niya. And si Bright, Prime, and Maxilink 100, for example, 500k yung coverage niya, magiging 1 million siya since 200% yung face amount niya. Okay, so ano nga ba si Premium Holiday? Ito yung pwede magpahinga si insured ng pagbabayad. The insured has an option to have a premium holiday, and applicable lang siya sa Flexilink and Maxilink 100 since naka-regular pay siya. Okay, what is riders? So these are extras that ride on top of your policy, and it gives your plan additional benefits and coverage. So for example, kapag bumili kayo ng sasakyan, of course, bibili ka din ng additional accessories na pwedeng makakadagdag ng tulong sa sasakyan mo. So, ganun din yung riders. It's an additional benefits and coverage na hindi pwedeng i-cover ng face amount mo lang alone. Okay, so what are the different types of riders? So, first, we have total disability benefit. So, this is your waiver of premium. The premium will be waived once the insured becomes totally and permanently disabled. And accidental death benefit. This is an additional coverage if the insured's death is due to accident. The next is accidental death, disability, and dismemberment benefit. So, dinagdagan lang siya ng death benefit. Next rider is the critical illness benefit. So, once ma-diagnose si insured ng critical illness, so may ma-receive siya ng additional amount on top of his or her face amount. So, you can check with your financial advisor for the list of critical illness since kasama naman to sa proposal. The next is the hospital income benefit. For example, na-confine ka, so since hindi ka pa makakapag-work agad, since na-confine ka nga, so ito yung magiging allowance mo. Next is the female critical illness benefit and female critical illness and maternity benefit. Ito yung nangyayari lang sa female. So, just take note na yung accidental death, disability, and dismemberment benefit, it's not applicable for bride. Yung female critical illness benefit and female critical illness and maternity benefit is not applicable for Bright, Prime, and FlexiLink. So, applicable lang siya sa MaxiLink 100. Okay, so additional benefits means additional payments or charges. So, just to disclose lang, critical illness benefit is we will pay until 70 kasi na-expire siya until age 70. So, hindi siya same na kung ang coverage mo is until age 88, meron lang coverage age for the rider. For example, yung product mo is MaxiLink Prime, we're going to pay for 10 years, mag-i-incur pa rin siya ng charges for the critical illness since you are going to pay for critical illness until age 70. So, it also increases every 5 years. Next naman is the hospital income benefit. Payable din siya until 60 years old. Total disability benefit covered siya until age 60 years old. And accidental death benefit and accidental death, disability, and dismemberment benefit covered siya till age 70. So, next, paano nga ba ina-allocate yung binabayad mo? First is the premium. Ito yung amount that you pay for your VUL insurance policy. So, once nagbayad ka, i-deduct yung premium charge. So, it is deducted from the premium each time a payment is made. And it is a percentage of the premiums and diminishes after a few years. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? So, may mga ilang years kang magsasuffer sa premium charge since sa mga unang years is medyo malaki pa yung premium charges na dinideduct sa yung premium. And after nun, ang matitira is i-allocate na yan to the fund. Okay, so this portion is used to buy units in your chosen fund. It will then converted to fund units. Fund units are determined by dividing the amount allocated to the fund by the applicable NAVPO. So, hindi pa ito yung fund value mo. After niya ma-convert to fund units, i-deduct pa si insurance charge and periodic charges. So, ano nga ba ang mga charges na to? So, these are paid regularly to keep your policy in force, and these are paid by deducting fund units on a monthly basis and for as long as your policy is in force. So, ibig sabihin, as long as naka-enforce ang policy, meron pa ring insurance charge and periodic charges. Pero, hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan. So, ba't siya binabawas? Of course, to keep your policy in force kasi may nagmamanage or may nag-handle ng yung insurance plan. Okay, so kung anong matitira doon, yun na yung remaining fund units mo. So, ito na yung fund value mo. Ito na ang pwede mong ma-withdraw na amount. Okay, so remaining fund units are then multiplied by the applicable NAVPO to determine your policy's fund value at any given time. Okay, so pag nag-apply kayo ng inyong insurance plan with Sun Life, kahit sa proposal may kasamang ganitong form. Let's move on to investment funds. Okay, so ano nga ba yung investment funds? Saan nga ba ini-invest ni company yung money mo? May mga charges, so na-deduct na natin yung mga charges. So yung natirang amount, saang companies ba siya ini-invest? So, madidetermine yun sa type of funds na pipiliin mo. So, ito yung mga types of investment funds. So, once you apply kasi for a VUL product, meron niyang kasama na risk profile questionnaire. So, para saan yun? It will help you or it will help the company to determine kung anong type of investor ka. Meron yang conservative investors, balanced or moderate investors, aggressive investors. Okay. So, for the conservative investor, mas gusto mo yung low risk pero low returns yung magiging growth ng money mo sa investment. Pag sinabi ng mga aggressive investors, okay lang sa'yo ang high risk kasi alam mo naman na malaki ang magiging returns or magiging growth ng money mo sa investment. And next is the balanced or moderate naman. So, ito yung pinagsamang aggressive at saka conservative. So, 50-50 siya. Kung ikaw yung tipong investor na hindi ganun kalakas ang loob, so, ito yung types of investment funds na pwede mong piliin. Okay, so, for money market fund, ito yung for conservative investors, and si bond fund, balance fund, opportunity tracker fund, my future fund is ito yung for balance or moderate investors. While yung equity, growth plus fund, index fund, captain's fund, ito naman yung para sa mga aggressive investors. Let's have a sample proposal. So, this is for a 30-year-old female non-smoker. And yung face amount niya is 400K. And yung riders niya is accidental death benefit and total disability benefit na 400K. Okay, so sa insurance coverage, kapag FlexiLink, 400K lang yung insurance coverage niya since 100% lang yung face amount niya. And for Bright, Prime, and MaxiLink 100, it will be 800K since 200% yung face amount niya. Okay, so sa premium naman, how much is the premium? So, this is for annual premium. Sa FlexiLink is 13,412. Si Bright is 63,296. Si Prime naman is 20,084. And si MaxiLink 100 is 15,752. So, as you can see, mas mura si FlexiLink since regular pay siya. And for Bright naman is, since 5 years to pay lang siya, so, always remember na once kinompress mo yung VUL product, like, parang pinaikli mo yung paying period niya, so, mas lalo siyang nagmamahal. 63,296. And for Prime naman, if I were to choose, I'll go for Prime since kahit 5,000 lang naman yung difference niya from MaxiLink 100, ayaw ko namang magbayad until age 100. So, Prime is a very good start, VUL product for you if wala ka pang VUL product. So, what are the pros and cons if you're going to get a VUL? So, first is insured ka na, nakakapag-save ka pa. Kasi yun nga, may bonus na investment component. Okay, so next is automatic savings. So, perfect to for those people na hindi saver. yung mga nahihirapan mag-save kasi yun nga, coupled with investment. So, every time na nagbabayad ka, part of your payment goes to your savings. So, hindi siya madaling mag-lapse or mag-terminate since meron siyang cash value or investment funds mo. Okay. Next is flexible. So, paano siya naging flexible? Since pwede ka dito kasing mag-top up or maglagay ng excess premium. So, ano nga ba yung excess premium? Ito yung you are going to pay more than your regular premium. So, ayan, nilalagay siya sa investment mo. Okay, so next, what are the cons naman? So, cons is for long-term goals siya. So, if you're the type of person na yung mga goals mo is for short-term goals lang, hindi bagay sa'yo si VUL kasi this is for long-term goal. And when we say long-term, it's for 10 years, 5 years, or above. Okay, so next is my risk siya. So, anong risk yung sinasabi ko? So, yun nga, conservative, aggressive, and balanced. So, ibig sabihin ng risk is yung ine-expect mong gain or growth ng pera mo, pwedeng maging iba dun sa actual growth ng money mo kasi hindi siya guaranteed yung investment funds. Next is if you surrender the policy early, you may suffer loss. Since nagbabayad ka ng charges, 'di ba? On the first, second year medyo malaki yung premium charges na napupunta sa insurance mo. So if i-surrender mo agad siya or hindi ka ganun ka committed na i-keep yung policy mo. For example, sa second year pa lang, gusto mo nang i-surrender. So you may suffer loss talaga kasi di mo naman mababawi yung pera na nabayad mo. So, kung ano lang yung fund value mo on that year, yun lang makukuha mo. Hindi siya yung iniisip mo na ito-total mo yung payment, tas yun yung i-demand mo sa insurance company. Yung makukuha mo lang talaga is yung fund value. Maliit pa talaga siya kasi hindi pa siya aabot kung magkano ang total payments mo since nagbabayad ka nga kasi ng premium charges. So, kaya you may suffer loss talaga. Okay, next is the higher the age, the higher the insurance cost or premium. It's a pros if at an early age kumuha ka na ng VUL. Like at your age, at an early age of 20 or 30. So, ayan. But it's a con if kumuha ka like more than, for example, 40 plus. Ayan, kasi mahal na yung insurance since the higher the age. Kaya sinasabi namin lagi na habang bata pa is kumuha na ng VUL kasi mas masusulit mo kasi siya, bukod sa mura siya, mas makikita mo talaga ang growth ng pera mo. So, kasi pag late ka na nag-start, ilang years na lang kasi magre-retire ka na and ilang years na lang din gagamitin mo na yon. Tapos pag nakita mo medyo hindi siya ganun kalaki since late ka na nag-start. Isang factor na nakaka-affect sa investment, it's actually the time. It's not about the amount, it's the time. So as early much better, and as early mas higher yung returns. Okay, so next, let's answer some of the frequently asked questions. The first one is, what is the best VUL product for me? Okay, so actually it depends on your need or your preference. If okay ba sa'yo magbayad ng 5 years na ganun kamahal, if may budget ka, why not? So, pwede mong kunin si Bright since 5 years to pay lang siya. So, yun nga, medyo ano siya, pricey siya since kinompress na yung paying period niya. Okay, so if wala ka namang budget pa or limited lang yung budget mo since may pinaglalaanan ka pang ibang bagay, so you can start with Prime. You can consider Prime since sabi ko nga Prime is a very good start for a VUL product. You may ask your financial advisor para ma-assist ka and matulungan ka niya mamili. So, the product, it depends kung anong kailangan mo and kung bakit ka ba kukuha ng VUL para saan ba siya. So, ayun. Actually, if bata ka pa, you have the advantage to choose any VUL product for you since bata ka pa and mura pa yung premium mo. So, pag medyo matanda na kasi, medyo limited na yung VUL product na mapipili mo kasi nagbe-base ka na sa budget mo or sa halaga ng premium mo. So next is how much is the insurance coverage I should purchase. Okay, so the minimum or the standard insurance coverage that you should get is 10 times of your annual income. So that is 10 years of your income. So bakit siya 10 years? Kasi once the insured or breadwinner is taken out of the picture, yung family niya, it will take them 10 years to adjust financially and andyan si life insurance mo to provide for them financially. So, yan yung standard na insurance coverage. Next is, can I pay more than my premium? Yes, of course. Yan yung sinasabi ko na excess premium. So, much better siya kasi mas malaki yung magiging fund value mo. So, if regularly kang nagpe-pay more than your premium, so ayan, mas malaki yung makukuha mong fund value. Let's go back muna dito sa how much is the insurance coverage I should purchase. Kung i-compute mo kasi, may kamahalan talaga siya. Since, yun nga, 10 years ng income mo, annual income mo. So, you can start with the minimum coverage for insurance. Ang mahalaga naman dun is nag-start ka, 'di ba? Kaysa naman wala. Okay, so next, can I own or have more than one VUL product? Okay, so of course you can own more than one VUL product. Okay, so it depends pa rin naman sa needs mo. So, if may specific goals ka for that specific VUL, so dun lang siya. Then, kung may another goal ka, pwede kang kumuha ng another VUL for that. Okay, so, kasi lahat naman yan, it's your investment or assets. And lahat naman yan, pag kinuha mo, is magbe-benefit naman yan ikaw at yung family mo. Okay, so what are the factors that affects premium amount of my VUL? Okay, so i-generalize na lang natin to since minsan may mga clients na nagtataka kung bakit hindi daw sila same ng premium nung friend niya or kakilala niya na same naman sila ng age or same naman sila ng product na kinuha. Okay, so meron kasi tayong mga factors na tinitingnan. So, ano yung mga factors na yun? Unang-una, of course, is yung age, gender, and of course, yung health history. And nakaka-affect din dyan yung riders. So, kung gaano kadami yung riders na nilagay mo or inattach mo sa yung policy, so ganun din kamahal yung premium amount mo. Okay, so hindi porket magkapareho kayo ng age, pareho kayong babae, and pareho kayong kinuhang plan is pareho na din yung lalabas na premium. So, it really depends on the client needs and yung profile ni client. Okay. So, what if something happens pero nakakaisang hulog pa lang? Okay, so yes, may makukuha. May makukuha pa din, but subject siya for investigation kasi pasok siya sa contestability period na 2 years. Okay, so nothing to worry naman about sa investigation. As long as alam mo nung nag-fill out ka ng form is dineclare mo and wala kang kinonceal, dineclare mo lahat, okay, from the insurance company. So especially on your health history kasi napaka-importante nun. Okay, so so i-insert ko lang para sa last. May mga nagtatanong din kasi what are the requirements needed to start. Okay, so simple lang naman yung requirements. Valid ID and of course the initial premium or initial payment. So may kasama siyang initial payment upon application. Then the others naman madali na lang sa that forms from the advisor. Okay, so thank you so much. That ends our presentation. So I hope you've learned something, and if you have additional questions or may mga questions kayo na hindi na sagot, you can comment down below and I'll answer that in the comment section. So ayan, this has been your financial advisor, Liza May Lovindina. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.